Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you replace these map lights and your dome light on your 2012 Toyota Camry, right? So you're going to take a nice small screwdriver and you're just going to pop it in there and pop this out and pop this cover off, and then you would just pull the light bulb out. So you just grip the light as tight as you can with your fingers, pop it out, and then you would just go ahead, take your new one and slide it back in there. You can go like that just to check it and make sure it's all good. Then pop the clip in there. So you got a little tab on this side. You're going to want to put that tab in first and then lock it into place. Make sure everything still works properly. And then we've got the same light back here. So we're going to have the same thing with this one, where if we just get our screwdriver up in there, kind of just prop it down, and then we have our light bulb in here. And this one, if you just squeeze the tab to the side, it just fall out. And your dome light is a 3119. No, it's a 3175 light bulb. And it's one of those, it's just like a little cylindrical one, and then you just put the one corner in, push that one up and it locks into place. Go ahead and turn your light on to make sure it works, and then put your cover back in. Start with the front and then just snap it into place. And that's how you replace the dome light and the map lights in your Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can become the mechanic.